All right, so now that we're here in Bimmercode, you want to go to your body domain controller, and you need to scroll down, and what you're looking for is the lighting section. And you need to set your fog lights off with high beam. You need to set that to not active. So that way, when you turn your high beams on, your fog lights will stay active. They'll stay on. The other one you want to change is your fog lights with parking lights. You want to set that to active. That way you can have your fog lights on with your DRLs, and then your fog lights off with high beam. That'll allow you to have your fog lights with your high beams turned on too. So again, you'll have fog lights with high beams, and then you'll have fog lights with DRLs as well. And if you don't like the parking lights being on when you have the DRLs on, then just code off your parking lights. You can easily do that. So once you change your settings in this section here, your lighting section, just hit code and then wait for your car to code, and then we'll get out of the car and I'll show you how it looks. All right, so we're gonna set the DRLs, and then as you can see, the fog light's already activated, so we'll just leave it that way, and then I'll show you how it looks on the front of the car. So here's your fog lights with your DRLs. That looks pretty good. I like that. And then I'll also show you how it looks with the high beams and fog lights on. All right, so here's how it looks with your high beams and your fog lights on. So pretty dang bright. So you can see the projectors a bit. You can see the high beam bowls behind that. And then I'm actually a little bit lucky because my headlights are not really yellowing yet. So high beams with fog lights. Now I'm also going to show you how to activate your angel eyes to be brighter, because they're set to about 60%, but you can set them to 100%. And you need to actually go to your individual headlights, to your headlight modules, front light module left. And then here you see the angel eyes brightness. Now once you code it to 100%, the other options to change it back are going to disappear. But if you ever want to code it back to being less bright, you just code using your backups in the bottom corner right there. And then you would just repeat the same process for the right headlight. And then that's how you make your angel eyes brighter. Just hit code, exit out of it, and then your angel eyes will be bright. And I'll show you how that looks right now in front of the car. So let's disconnect. This is how it looks when your angel eyes are set to 100% brightness. Very, very bright. It's almost like having headlights on. Sometimes you don't even need your headlights on. You can just use these. And then when you have the fog lights activated with it, it makes it that much brighter. So yeah, hope this video helped.